Hi everybody, it's Miss McKinney. This is a dictation lesson practicing writing words with prefixes. Prefixes are pieces of a word that you can add to the beginning that will change the meaning of the base word. In this case, we're going to be practicing with 5 different prefixes. We'll go over their meanings very quickly in just a moment. These prefixes are all closed syllables, which means that they end with a consonant and the vowel sound is short. These syllables or these prefixes will add a syllable to the beginning of each word that we are going to practice writing. We're going to try to keep those prefixes together and not have to tap out each sound because they're going to stay the same each time that you read and write them in the future. Let's do a quick review of some of the prefixes that we're going to be writing today. This is the prefix un, un. Un means not or the opposite of. The prefix sub, sub, means under. Con, con, is a prefix that means with or together. In, can mean a few things. It can mean not, into, or the opposite of. And finally, the prefix mis, mis, means wrong, bad, or hate. We're going to practice writing words with these 5 prefixes. Remember, these are the spellings. We're going to try not to finger tap the individual prefixes. We're going to keep them together. Go ahead and get yourself a piece of paper and a pencil. When we do our dictation lessons, I'm going to say the word. We will pound each syllable, and then we will finger tap the syllables. The only thing that we will not finger tap today are the syllables that contain our prefixes at the beginning of each word. Your first word is indent. I want you to indent a new paragraph. Ready? Let's pound. Indent. Your first syllable is in. So we're going to write, and that is our prefix in. Your second syllable, dent. D, e, nt. This one I kept together because it was a consonant blend. D, e, nt. Second syllable is dent. Check your word and make sure that it matches mine. We kept this prefix together. The next word, I'm going to let you write it out on your own, and then at the end I will write it so that we can check your work. Your next word is contest. Say the word contest. Your first syllable is the prefix con. Write that syllable. Remember, at any time, if you need more time, just pause the video and push play when you're ready. The next syllable, test. Tap that. T, e, st. Write the second syllable. Let's check your work. Con, test, t, e, st. Check your work and make sure that it matches mine. The next word is subject. Subject. First syllable, sub. Write that prefix. Next syllable, ject. J, e, kt. Write that syllable. Pause your video if you need time. Your word was subject. Sub, j, e, kt. subject. Check your word and make sure it matches mine. If you made a mistake, just put one line through it and fix it off to the side. Your next word is undo. Repeat, undo. First syllable, un. Write the prefix. Next syllable, do. D, oo. Write that syllable. Let's check our work. Un, do. Check your work and make sure it matches mine. Okay, we have 2 more words that we're going to write before we do a couple of sentences. The next word is mishap. Mishap. First syllable, miss. Write that prefix. Second syllable, hap. App. Write that syllable. Let's check our work. Miss. Mishap. A mishap is something that happens by mistake. Last word. Subtract. Subtract. First syllable, sub. Write the prefix. Tract. Tract. Write the second syllable. Your word was subtract. Sub. The second syllable had 2 consonant blends. Act. Subtract. Check your word, make sure it matches mine. Before we go on to our sentences, we're going to practice reading the words that we just wrote. We're going to read through them twice. The first time I'll read with you, and the second time you'll read on your own. Ready? Let's read. Indent, contest, subject, undo, mishap, subtract. Again, one more time on your own. Great. Okay. Now we're going to do 2 sentences. I will read each sentence to you 1 time or 2 times, and then you will repeat it back to me, pounding each syllable. Listen carefully. The first sentence is, I intend to contact his dad. I intend to contact his dad. All right, let's say that sentence again, and we're going to pound each syllable. I intend to contact his dad. Pause the video and write that sentence. Let's check our work. I intend means that you plan on doing something. To contact his dad. Now, I want you to check your work and make sure it matches mine, that you started with an uppercase I and ended your sentence with a period. And we need to check all the spellings in between. We're going to write one more sentence and then we'll practice reading them together. Listen carefully. Did Sam unclog the sink and tub? Did Sam unclog the sink and tub? Repeat it back. Did Sam unclog the sink and tub? Pause your video and write that sentence. Let's check your work. Did Sam unclog the sink and tub? Check your work and make sure it matches mine. You should have had an uppercase D at the very beginning. The letter S in Sam should also have been uppercase because this is a person's name. And we should have ended this sentence with a question mark because it was asking a question. All right, let's read through these sentences 2 times. The first time I'll read with you, and the second time you'll read on your own. Ready? I intend to contact his dad. Did Sam unclog the sink and tub? One more time on your own. All right, guys, you did a great job with your dictation lesson today. Save your work so you can show your teacher what you did when you guys come back together for your next live lesson, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.